Good morning, guys. Yep. Well, back here. It's a little warmer. We're getting a heat wave up here. It's warmer than what it usually is. Still in the 90s, 89, 90. A little hot, but it's overcast today. Partly cloudy. Little breeze. Hopefully it sticks. Keep me cool. So today's project and tomorrow, it's a two-day thing. I'm putting the perches across. If you look right up here, I'm gonna build the frame of the overhang. The frame of the overhang. I got the materials needed, and but I am gonna spare you the staining for sure, because you've seen quite enough of that. So that's gonna take me a little bit, and then I'll be showing off my talent, my to do or not to do. So pretty happy with the material I got and the prices. Prices are nice and lower, so it's affordable, thank goodness. So yeah, overhang, framing of the overhang, and stick with me, guys, and enjoy the show.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze. But in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind. From Leaper's Fork to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City or Memphis bound. No matter where I go, no matter what I see, I still hear the calling of Tennessee. And who we to know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, and I've still got Tennessee on my mind. I miss the smoke on the Cumberland and the fireflies at midnight, and the color of the leaves in the fall.
All right, guys. Well, that ends it for today. I got my 5 perches. I took my sweet ass time. Pretty tired. Went to bed super late, got up early, did my thing. So yeah, had to change a few things for my upcoming vacation. So it is what it is, but it's gonna be good. So I got my 5 perches. They're all leveled. These are leveled, nice and sturdy. And then I'm gonna put my cross members for the remainder of the frame tomorrow. So keep on watching, there's more. Good morning, guys. Day 2. Yeah, so like I said, I was busy doing other things yesterday. I did put my 5 perches across. I'm gonna put the cross members right here and there. You'll see that in a little bit. Yeah, running low on stain again. Hopefully I have enough, and I'll do what I can, and then got some things to prepare for my upcoming vacation. I have another video coming up soon also for something that was pretty interesting, and so far I'm satisfied. So watch my video coming up, my next video. And yeah, I may not put out a video with my vacation. I might put quite a few shorts up, or a 1-minute video, something short, because the upload time and everything. So yeah, on my vacation, just to show you where I'm at and what I'm enjoying. So I really appreciate you guys watching and following the development. This overhang is going to add somewhat of more shade on the deck, and partly enclosed, like this back wall over here, right here. I'm going to enclose that and make that wall an open outdoor kitchen area. So that's coming up. So I really appreciate you guys watching. You guys are awesome. I love your support. and share it with friends. You know, I'm right now my channel's stagnant at 1680, 90 around, so just want to push it up a little bit. It'd be awesome to get over that 2,000 mark. So anyway, share it with your friends, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, or put comments down. You know, let me know how well I'm doing, or how I should have done it this way. And then there's always a shoulda, coulda, woulda. But it's learning. I'm learning. That's what this whole Greenhorn project is about. All right. So keep on watching, guys. There's more.
Arizona garden, stucco in the heat. Let me take you dancing. Let me get you on your feet. Arizona garden with my little cactus flower. Let the day slip away in the golden hour. We've got nothing but time and music, and a sweet cool drink in the heat. Oh, I'll be beside you every step of the way, right here beside you every step of the way. Prickly pear in a sandy bed, holding you heals me, but loving you hurts my head. Oh, Arizona gardens in the afternoon. No matter what happens, it's me and you, baby. Nothing but time and music, and a sweet cool drink on her feet. I'll be beside you every step of the way, right here beside you every step of the way, every step of the way.
Hey again, guys. Well, this is pretty much it. I cut the right angle, proper angle for the fascia board. As you can see, there's my overhang, the framing. Got done what I need to do, staining every little piece, putting it up. So I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Be putting on the metal lip, L lip for the rain, and then the tin next. But I've got vacation coming up. I mentioned that already. So I'll share a little bit. And until next time, guys, ciao.